In this video, I'll show you how to create this liquid glass effect, just like Apple does. We'll start by adding text and stretching it across the entire clip. Then we delete the text and add spaces depending on how large we want our frame to be. Turn on the background, change the color to white, and set the opacity to 75%. Round the corners to 25 and use Alt+G to create a compound clip. Now go to Effects and search for Fuzzy Glass. Select the effect, add a mask, and make it slightly smaller than the frame to get that perfect look. Don't forget to round the corners to 20. In the basic section, set filters to 0, size to 40, and horizontal to 40. Then go back to the mask and set the feather to 15 to achieve a smooth, realistic effect. And that's it, we've just created our liquid glass frame. Now let's animate it using keyframes. If you'd like a separate video on working with keyframes, let me know in the comments. Next, let's fill our liquid glass frame. You can place anything inside it, videos, text, or different icons, just like I did. Add another text, delete it, insert spaces, choose background, and set the color to white again. Create another compound clip and add a circular mask. Inside this circle, add an icon, for example, a $sign. Go to Stickers and search for $. I chose this one. Now just position it properly and add text with a gradient effect, which I showed in one of my previous videos. And that's it, we've got a professional, smooth animation, just like Apple. If you like this video, drop a like, hit subscribe, and comment what I should make next.